Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Vscode versus Cursor AI. Vscode, a widely adopted editor, offers immense flexibility through its vast extension marketplace. Cursor AI, on the other hand, is built from the ground up with artificial intelligence at its core, aiming to streamline development with intelligent assistance. We will explore their unique features, performance aspects, and ideal use cases to help you decide which tool best fits your coding style and project requirements. Vscode stands out with its incredible extensibility, boasting tens of thousands of extensions that cater to virtually any programming language or framework. Developers appreciate its powerful debugging capabilities, allowing for efficient identification and resolution of issues. Furthermore, its seamless integration with Git simplifies version control, making collaborative projects much smoother. The active community ensures constant updates and a wealth of resources for users. Cursor AI differentiates itself by deeply embedding artificial intelligence into the development process. It provides advanced features like intelligent code generation, helping you write new code or refactor existing sections with remarkable speed. The integrated chat interface allows you to ask questions and receive context-aware suggestions without leaving your editor. This AI-first approach aims to significantly boost developer productivity and efficiency. When choosing between these two powerful editors, consider your priorities. If you value extensive customization, a vast ecosystem of extensions, and broad language support, Vscode is an excellent choice. However, if you are looking to leverage cutting-edge artificial intelligence for code generation, refactoring, and intelligent assistance, Cursor AI offers a compelling AI-native experience. Both are fantastic tools. Your best option depends on your specific development needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.